Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 12th of February, Friday 2021. Today was an amazing and blessing Friday because we have an amazing volatility and beautiful analysis, and most of the traders banked amazing profit today. And I'm going to show you the three pairs with the opportunities which I explained yesterday in analysis review. If you haven't seen that video, the link is given in the video description. I explain, and today I'm going to show you how we analyze those opportunities as an intraday and how we bank that profit, all right, so in real time. Okay, so let's dig into the system. So just quickly recap, guys. These are the intraday analyses. I analyze market twice a day, just before London Open and at the New York session, and all of my live analysis recording instantly available in the training section for the education, and also all this analysis broadcast instantly in the analysis section. So based on these analysis, one of my traders banked 301 pips, and I'm going to show you most of the trades how he banked those pips, and most of the pips is banked based on the three pairs I analyzed in yesterday. All right, so let's dig into the those three pairs first, and then we can go through his trades. All right, so Euro USD, let's talk about the Euro USD. Okay, so yesterday, as you have seen that I mentioned this channel breakout, so we have banked beautiful pullback short trade. As I mentioned you, once the structure is broken, the most important thing we're looking is a breakout and pullback short trades. So you can see a beautiful pullback short trade we had it, and all of these trades we banked beautiful amazing profit. Let me share with you, this was the analysis. You can see we did in the morning just before London Open, 7:33. This is the consolidation breakout we're looking technically based on the momentum. We were expecting a breakout short trade. So price nicely broken, we banked some profit, of course, and then later on we also explained the pullback. As you can see, we had another beautiful pullback and banked beautiful profit. And afterwards, we also did another analysis at the New York session that we're looking pullback. But as you can see right now, the price did not develop a pullback. You can see here. And that's why we use these candles. If we see any red candle, then we will consider as a pullback. Is not pullback, the price broken. This is pure price action, guys. The price broken the previous high, so momentum is developed bullish. So technically we're looking another pullback long here, but as you know, today is Friday, the market is about to close, so we'll see on Monday. All right, so let's dig into the pound dollar. Okay, in pound dollar, if you have seen that yesterday, as I mentioned you about this bull flag pattern, and I explained yesterday, if the price is going to respect, then probably going to be taking a long, otherwise short trade here. So if you look at this candle, this was the bearish engulfing candle. Before there was inside candle pattern, afterwards the bearish, so then we took a short trade and pullbacks. So once we bank beautiful pips, when the price reverse, and then we explain to trader right now, we will consider this one as a false breakout, then we should be taking long trades. And that's exactly we did. Now I'm going to share with you those analysis, how we analyze market. So you can see this was because if you remember yesterday, I had a one trade open on pound dollar that was opened around, let me share with you guys, that was open somewhere. You can see that, and then afterwards, this is the analysis we did 7:35 for pullback short. We had one breakout and pullback, and then afterwards we have another pullback. So we banked beautiful pips on pound dollar, and then afterwards at the New York session, then we explained to traders, look, the price is develop another pattern. So because how we analyze the market, which is pretty standard, you can see here, now the price is developing high, and we explain to traders, if you look at, we have head and shoulder pattern is developed. Safest way is to look for this breakout, and that's we took another breakout and another pullback, and that's what we did this analysis. You can see at 14:10 at the 2 p.m. just before opening bell, we did this analysis and bang it. We banked beautiful profit on pound dollar. That's what we did. All right, so let's move to the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, if you look at the 4-hour chart, If you look at my yesterday analysis review in 4 hour, I has mentioned that this channel breakout opportunity, as you can see, the price broken, and I did certain analysis at that time. Beautiful. After the breakout, pull back long, and afterwards we're looking another pullback short here, and now I'm going to explain to you those analysis. If you look at here, we had this was the breakout trade, the channel breakout. Based on the analysis, I'm going to show you that analysis, and then we were expecting another pullback short. You can see here, pretty straightforward. What happened? Price did not develop any pullback, here, which is pretty straightforward. Do you see any red green candle? No. So that analysis was invalid. We explained to trader through live ID commentary. Then we explained that another possibility would be pullback at this level, which we did this analysis, and I said to guys, pull back long at this level. What happened? Did not. Price was came down. I said, okay, we're not going to trade until we find a confirmation. But if you look at the analysis, what I mentioned here, if the price is going to break after the break, if the price is going to retest. So if you look at here, this is the breakout based on the analysis, and this is the pullback short. The momentum still bearish. So more likely price might gonna hit the previous low. So that's what we explain, and this is happening in real time. So trader, if they are confused, they need some support, they just ask some question. So they just ask question and we help them through that question. Or sometimes if they need help, they can also connect through audio chat with the analyst, and they get a feedback. So now you understand how we analyze these three pairs. So what's going to happen, what we are looking next week, let's say, okay, it's too early to say, but Monday, what we can see here, let's talk about the price action, right? So we can see here the price is try to break the previous low. This is, we will consider this one as a false breakout if the price gonna stay above that level, which is 21,132 area. If the price technically, what exactly we're looking, if the price is going to be develop a false breakout, and if the price retest, and if the price is going to break this wedge, then probably going to be taking a long trade, because that's false breakout is give us the sign. So we'll see on Monday, but if the price is going to break this one, then short. So this is the edge we are looking on Monday. We'll see how this is going to go. Okay, so let's talk about the pound dollar. And if you look at the pound dollar, as you know, this is the bullish bull flag pattern. So this is another sign of continuity of the trend. So if you can see, we already have the confirmation of false breakout, and the price broken the previous low and false breakout. Afterwards, you can see a nice big move. So if price has broken this trend support line, trend resistance line, now becomes support. If the price, there's another possibility, if the price respect and break the previous high, then probably going to be looking another pullbacks, and price might gonna hit 139 or 140 area, then we should be taking only pullbacks. But if the price gonna reverse back to this channel, then we take accordingly trades. Okay, so this is pound dollar, DollarCAD. If you look at here, what happened here, price nicely broken and nicely respected this level and previously. And if you look at this candle, we can call it as a bearish engulfing candle. Beautiful. And this is the daily support level, and the previously price respected. So we'll see what's going to happen here based on that, and price came back to this level. And if the price going to continue, then probably going to be taking a short trade. But if the price going to respect this support level, and if the price is going to develop another fractal here, then we might going to consider this one as a head and shoulder pattern, but this one hasn't performed yet. So that's what exactly we're looking at. So mainly we are looking in intraday, and that's why we're trading it accordingly. So we'll see in Monday how the market is going to react. Okay, so let's talk about the first 300 pips. If you see, we had amazing trades. You can see no even one losing. We had a fun because he had a 299, 290, I think 298 or 299 pips. And I was having a chat. I said, why don't you make a round figure, which is 300? So he asked me, okay, show me any few pippies I can make it. So I did another analysis for him on Aussie dollar. That was the counter short trade. As you can see, I said, okay, you can take as a scalp trade and bank. And he banked few, I think 1 or 2 pips and make a round figure. But if you look at in 4 hour, you can see the price is, if the price is going to develop another fractal here and respect it here, and then am I gonna see a head and shoulder pattern, but we'll see on Monday. All right, so let's talk about, see, he made a beautiful pips on 51 pips on DollarCAD, which is this is the pretty straightforward breakout long trade. And let me share with you the analysis of that DollarCAD, guys, so you will understand what I'm talking here. Yeah, you can see this was the analysis as soon as I did for the Asian session, because we were watching those opportunity. I explained to my trader, guys, you should not wait for that opportunity is there. And you can see the momentum was developed bullish, as you can see around 12, I think, half 12 in the morning. I did the analysis for my Asian session traders, and you can see beautiful trade breakout and long trade again based on the 4 hour channel. This was the trade is taken based on this level here. So you can see beautiful 51 pips on this one, and 49 pips dollar. This was the trade. Basically, if you remember yesterday, one of the trade was open because we're watching in 4 hour, and we mentioned to trader, as long as the momentum is bearish, you can hold it, and as soon as the price hit the target, and I explained to him where is the target. Let me show you the target. I explained to trader, as soon as the price gonna hit this Bollinger Band, you can see here, and then we should be taking a trade. So he took a short trade and banked beautiful pips on this one, and 35 pips again long. This was the beautiful trade yesterday. Again, we were watching in 4 hour. All these trades we are based on 100% is 4 hour. As you can see here, we explained to trader, if the price gonna break the previous high, then we should be taking a long trade here. So that's what we did, that analysis. Pound yen, yeah, that's the trade. Even we did last night as well, and you can see this, even we mentioned this morning, so around before just London Open, beautiful breakout and long trade. That was the 35 pips. And then we have a dollar, euro USD dollar, you can see here 25 pips. That's the breakout trade, as I mentioned you. And afterwards we have taken another 2 short trades on euro USD. That's the pullback trade, and that you can see, this is the screenshot of entering the trade. This is the closing price. You can see we had another 210 pips, and then another one, we take a pound dollar long. That's again based on the analysis, as I mentioned you. Head and shoulder pattern developed, price nicely, breakout. You can see this is the entry and this is the exit. Beautiful 24 pips on, and then we have the last trade open 2 positions as the 41 pips. So you can see we had amazing volatility. If you look at here, there's only the mainly pair was the, you can see here, pound dollar, euro USD, euro USD, euro USD, pound dollar, and DollarCAD. That's the main pair, which basically I explained to you yesterday. You can see a dollar yen as well. So only Aussie dollar is just few pips, but you can see most of the pairs which is I explained to you yesterday. So bank beautiful pips, well done. You can see 301 pips. All these pips, if you click, is 100% based on the analysis which we broadcast instantly in the analysis section. So guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. And one of the questions mainly I've been asked, can you show us accounts and everything? When I said to my any of my users, there's the the best way you're going to learn, get the confidence, where you see the trading in real time in action. That's the best way. No matter if I show you too many accounts which is I've been traded and made a profit, that's not going to help you. The only thing is going to help you, you need to see it live, be engaged with the trading environment. And this is the platform we have developed to develop a trading skill, and then arrange funds for those traders, then they can trade for us. That's the main objective basically for this platform, because we believe that only way you're going to learn and develop a trading skill when you're going to be engaged in a live trading environment. So for example, if any analysis is broadcast, you're going to have practice here. You will get the feedback on the spot. If you're doing good, if you're not doing good, all the feedback is given, all the training material is given. This is purely price action trading. So if you would like to know how to trade successfully, and if you need a training, we also provide full Forex coaching and training through this platform. Or even if you are a struggling trader, I'm pretty sure your skill development is going to be much better through this platform, because everything is happening in a live environment. Because as I said to you, I analyze market twice live. I've been engaged with my traders. You will see how I communicate with my traders, how we're explaining them all this analysis, how we're explaining the market sentiments. Everything is happening in the real time. So there's no as such just training or showing all this nonsense histories or indicators or system. No, real time. If you really want to learn, see it, watch live in real time. Or even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure it's much easier even for the experienced trader, because everything is 100% based on the price action, which is pretty. This is not an indicator based training or something. This is not nonsense. This is pure price action. As I mentioned, I analyze 4 hour, and if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure that's going to be much easier for you, because it's pretty understandable. You understand that when I'm talking about pullback, when I'm talking about the patterns, when I'm talking about the market sentiment, and for them is much easier. And I'm pretty sure you can enjoy all these pips very easily as compared to the novice trader. But the novice trader is the best point, that they can see everything live, they can develop their trading skill. And if they produce those pips, and then definitely we can arrange trading funds for them. That's why we kept every single trade has a screenshot, when they open, when they close. Then we can sit down and then we can analyze with them, and we can explain them why you open, did they have make any right exit or right entry. Everything is happening in the real time. So that's the whole objective. So I hope guys you enjoy all this video, and have a nice weekend and stay blessed. And thank you for watching this video again, and I'll see you on Monday with another analysis. All the best.